Hey, what's up guys, it's Jason here and we're back with another unboxing video. Today is December 3rd, 2021. It is currently 4:31 p.m. on the East Coast in Grand Old Utica, and it's getting pretty dark outside. This is approximately, well, I wouldn't say approximately, but a day after my birthday. Do with that information what you will, and we're just gonna get right into it. So I got some packages from Americana Pipedream. You all know the deal with that. Military surplus store. Let's just get right into it. So I got two packages in here today. I completely forgot what they were, so we're just gonna find out. So I'm just as in the dark as you guys are. Let's see. I just gotta make sure, unlike the last time where I cut the jacket by accident, I don't cut this one either. That would be a travesty. So right now I'm in, I think, my last week of school because next week is basically finals week, and then I have one extra week left because of online classes. Technically I have 2 weeks left. Most people only have one because I'm assuming not that many people in Utica College take online classes. We're moving along quickly, guys. Okay, so here is the first package, and hopefully I didn't cut anything. Knock on wood. So, okay, that's good. I didn't cut anything. That would have been awful. Here we go, taking it out. I think it's a jacket. It's a jacket that I ordered. It's in DPM camo, which stands for disruptive pattern material, I think. But yeah, this is a camo that was introduced by the British in the early 1960s, and it was just recently they retired it for a multi-terrain pattern, which is it's basically multi-cam, but in the same pattern as DPM. Roughly. So this is a schmuck, which is a type of jacket, and this is what it looks like. Pretty cool, huh? And it's got that storage smell too for that extra vintageness. We're gonna put that on. If the lighting is a bit off, it's because I don't have my light on right now because I'm too lazy and don't feel like turning it on, and my windows are open. I had to get rid of the 2 lamps that I had because I'm in the process of trying to get a new one because my 2 other lamps don't really have much usefulness and they were taking up way too much like electricity. So I'm gonna settle with just 1 lamp this time instead of just having 2 redundant ones. So yeah, hopefully this is a good fit because I ordered it in large. Would you look at that? I think it's a good fit. Yeah, so we got the zippers here, and we got the buttons here for that extra layer of, I don't even know what to call it, but you get the idea. My brain is going poof right now because I'm in the middle of finals week, wrapping up school, and my brain can't take any more of this, and I just want to go on vacation. Zipper is a bit clunky to use, but it works. See how far it'll zip up. Okay, I think this is as far as it's gonna zip up. I can button it here, but I don't want to because it's gonna restrain my neck. This is great. I got another jacket, especially because I only had 2. I have like 2 big puffy Hollister jackets, which I do like, but I just want more variety in jackets instead of me just wearing the 2 same jackets over and over again. But this is the schmuck. I think there's a tag on here too. It's like at the bottom. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm not sure what it says. I think it's just like a little receipt or something. But anyways, yeah, this is the British DPM field schmuck. I think that's what it's called, or you just call it a schmuck, either way. Oh, they got the Velcro things too, which is neat. You can use the Velcro straps to kind of tighten the thing, which is a little nice addition. I think my Greek field jacket had that too. So yeah, you can use the straps to kind of just tighten the wrists a little bit to whatever your size is, preferred size. I don't think there are any patches on here. Nope. Oh wait, there is one. Yeah, see, there's a little patch right there. I have no idea what the rank is since I'm not British. Yeah, pretty cool. It's not too big. It's not tight either, which is what I like. So there's room for some flexibility here. Neat. So that's done. Bro, I have no idea what I'm gonna do with these stickers. I have like 3 or 4 of these already. Apparently they come in with every package, and then you know the deal. I have like a bunch of these slips now, and I think I'm gonna just end up getting rid of them. Alright, next package. Again, I have no idea what this is. I think they're pants, but I could be wrong because I ordered a bunch of stuff and I completely lost track. Okay, this one I can see the outline clearly, which is nice because now I can see like where it is and not have to cut the thing by accident like I did the last time. As of this recording, that video is not up yet. I've been busy doing a lot of stuff. I had to finish up a project and I got a bunch of homework that I gotta finish up. That video might not even be up until like when I get out of school, which should be sometime soon. My brother is done by next week, so that's nice. So, oh wow, that came in a lot earlier than I expected. I thought it was gonna come in late, but here we are. Look at that. This is the chocolate chip. I forgot the real terminology analogy for it, but I'm just gonna call it chocolate chip for the sake of not having to waste time and figure it out. But yeah, this is it's a camo pattern that was used by the US in the late 1980s. Funny thing is, this camo was not meant for actual combat. It was meant for an exercise called Brits Are 84, which was held in Egypt. It was the first time that the Egyptians switched over to the American side, and then they bought a whole bunch of American military tech. They weren't on great standing with the Soviets, especially because the Soviets did a piss poor job during the I think it was the Yom Kippur War or something like that. Was it during that time? I don't even remember. It was one of those wars. But you know, Israel isn't a real country, so screw them. So yeah, these are a pair of jeans that I got because I need more jeans in my life. Wow, these are actually kind of big. I think I did a pretty good job in ordering them in medium. Do I want to put this on right now? Because that means I have to take off this, and I really don't want to. You know what? We're gonna do that. So we're gonna pause this video for a bit. I'm gonna put that on because y'all don't want to see me half naked because that would be against TOS. We will be back soon.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, we're back. So about the jeans, so here's what they kind of look like. At the bottom, there's these straps you can use to tighten it at the ankle area. The only problem is that like once you get to the top, at least for me, the pants are kind of tight, but that's okay. I think that's just an indicator that I need to exercise more, which would be phenomenal. But other than that, it's fine. I like it. Great. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep it. I didn't want to get a large because I thought it would be like way too large, especially because there's multiple buttons on the thing. So there isn't like a zipper or anything like a fly. It's just all straight buttons. There's a lot of pockets in this thing, which is great. Oh, look at that. There's even a little, someone left a little thing on it. Take that off. The top is definitely a bit tight, which is gonna be a bit of a problem. But other than that, I think it should be fine. This is a pain to take off anyways. Yeah, but yeah, this is the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you think of the stuff that I got today. So just to recap, we got a DPM field smock and some choco fit pants that are a little tight on the top, but other than that, they're pretty good, you know, form-fitting. Tight at the top, which is annoying for like long walks and stuff, but I can always just take that top button off and then just leave the rest on. But yeah, that's it. See ya.